I didn't even get a chance to intro this vlog because you know what's up. I'm running late. I'll do the intro later, but you know what's up. So right now, we're about to go into the place to get a wax. Late, it's like 5 minutes late, but still trying to get the content. European Wax Center. Let's go.
Are you checking in? Enjoy the
Yes.
What is your name?
Sharon Craig.
We'll be right in the first room on the left.
Sharon Craig.
We're all checked in.
Okay.
Did you want to look after your next? Yes. How are you?
Hi.
The last door on the right today.
Okay.
You can't video anything in here. If you're videoing.
Okay. So that was brutal. She told me, I don't know if y'all heard, but she told me that I couldn't record, even though like I had recorded before, like y'all seen in my pamper vlog, that I had recorded before. And you know, it wasn't no issue. You know what's crazy? I'm running super late and I need gas. I am about to head to my nail appointment. It is at 3 o'clock on the dot, and I have about 10 minutes to get there, and I don't even know how far it is from here, but I just wanted to like check in real quick because I haven't had a chance to. Y'all know how it be going. Like, I literally be rushing for everything. I'm running late for everything. I went to the gym earlier. I kind of got a little like, I lost track of time because I got too like wrapped up in my workout. So then like when I got back, I made a protein shake, but Rob got the wrong protein powder, so it was disgusting. So then I had to make me an actual meal to get my protein intake in, which took up time because I'm like, I ain't just do all that work for nothing, girl. But so yeah, it just, the day is kind of getting away from me, but the lady was super quick, like, and I'll love her forever. But so she got me in and got me out, girl. But yeah, now I'm about to head to the nail salon, and I will try to check you when I get there. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Okay, so I'm out of the nail salon. Oh, I'm looking oily. I was going to like be vlogging in there, but I'm like, how many times can y'all watch me go to the same nail salon and get the same services done, you know? So I got a little bit of footage as you saw, but nothing too much. But this is, I'll insert a picture of the nails because it's hard to show you because I have to hold my thing. So I just got like some swirly swirls going on. But now I need to get gas because I never stopped to get gas. So I need to go to the gas station. I need to call my husband back. And then I have to go to the mall. And then I need to go to Walmart. And then we'll probably do lash extensions and tinting the brows tomorrow. Because I want to tint the brows like literally before we leave. So I'll probably do tinting the brows and lashes and stuff tomorrow. Okay, folks, enough with the gay jokes, especially from a gay broke bitch yourself. Halo, psych. Okay, so it is the next day, and we are about to tint these brows. So I'm going to be using this Just for Men kit. Now, this is not for your brows, but I'm using it for my brows, and I've done like a video on this before, but I'm going to be using this to tint the brows. A little dibbity dab of the developer. And then you have to use the same amount of color base. Like that. Okay, so then mix the ports. Okay, so I'm about to let this sit for like 45 minutes, low key. I mean, you're not supposed to let it sit for that long. It's supposed to sit for 5 minutes, they say. But every time I've done this and tried to do it like the regular time, it doesn't really take. So I'm going to let it sit for like 30 minutes, maybe 45. And then, yeah. I could do my lash extensions while we wait. Maybe I will. So this is the lash that I'm gonna be putting on and cutting up. This is Rich from the Luxe collection. Okay, so we're just gonna do one eye at a time so I don't get the lashes mixed up. But this is just what the pieces look like little dead flies. Using hair glue because I don't want it to be like super stuck on my eyes. I want to have the option to take them off if I so choose, because I don't really like to go to sleep with stuff on my eyes. Like, I like to sleep on my face. I like to wear an eye mask when I go to sleep. So, you know, I don't really like stuff on my eyes, so I might change my mind tomorrow. And I don't want like a super like strong glue, and like I just don't know how my eyes might react to like that lash adhesive. Like, I have some, I bought some and I never used it. So I'm just gonna use this, a little dab of do ya. just something up there, cute and simple. So if you've seen one eye, you've seen the other. I'm about to do the other eye off camera. Okay, wait, let me turn that TV down. Okay, so I got caught up packing and lost track of time. So this has been on for a minute. But it is time to wipe her off. My forehead looks so oily and shiny, but it's the end of the day. I'm gonna take a shower. But the brows and the lashes are done. That is a wrap. It is late. I'm basically all packed. Got the brows tinted, got the lash extensions on, mani and pedi is done, waxes are complete. So that completes this vacay prep with me vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in Mexico, girl.